Hello, hello. Here I am in our apartment in a place called Levi. Levi is a ski resort in the north of Finland, and this nice apartment is a 2-bedroom apartment which we have rented now for 2 nights, tonight and for tomorrow night. So this is the bedroom number 1. It's got some wardrobes. This is our, let's say, dining area. There is a sitting thingy outside, not from this side but this side. You can see it's dark, it's snowy. This is the bathroom number 2 over here, and a bedroom number 2, and this is the bathroom number 1 with the sauna, which we still need to figure out how to use it. There's a washing machine as well. What a surprise. Wow. So yeah, this is sauna over here, which I need to see how to use it. So now we have just arrived here, somehow driving the car through the snowy roads, and somewhere there are the ski slopes. More about the skiing tomorrow. For now, we are gonna go for a dinner to the center. So let's close the store and get ready. हेलो विशी, तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है?
इंतजार कर रहा है। इंतजार
मेरा इंतजार कर रहा था। कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम?
हम जा रहे हैं सेंटर।
Center to have some food. We are going to center. It's about 4 kilometers. बर्फ पड़ रही है अभी भी? इधर आओ, उधर कहाँ जा रहा है? ये मुझे नहीं आया है। बर्फ पड़ रही है यार अभी भी। जाम हो गया। तेरा खुल गया? नहीं, खुल गया। ओह, door got jammed for a while. किधर है विशी? कहाँ है? हम सीधा इसके ऊपर जाएंगे कार के। इधर ले जाएगी कार, क्या कहते हैं? वंडरफुल व्यू, वंडरफुल। कोई नहीं आ रहा ऊपर से? इतने ला देना गड्डी है ना, ये पार्किंग है। यहाँ लगा दें। वेलकम टू लेवी। Yeah, this is where probably we will be coming tomorrow somehow, and the slope for us will be this much. All right, looks like they have turned off the flashlights, but nevertheless we have come for the dinner. कहाँ जा रहा है? हाँ चेक कर तू। ऑडी पार्किंग ओनली। आ गया वाह। BMW कहाँ पर है? ये ਉੱਥੇ ਗਈ ਸੀ। इधर ही चलते हैं, इधर ही होगा कुछ। क्या है कोटी पिज़्ज़ा? So yeah, we are just looking for some restaurant which is not a pizza restaurant because we just had a pizza yesterday. Is this one open? What is it? Here we go. There is another pizza restaurant. Here we have taken a U-turn to go back to the restaurant we saw earlier, the pizza restaurant. So what, we just had a pizza yesterday, we can have it again. It's never too many pizzas. So we have arrived at Koti Pizza. Let's have a check out the menu. And there is a table for us over here and over there too. Koti, what have you got for us?
Veggie.
I think there are a lot of options. We can go in and have anything. Let's go, go, go! Entrance is over here. चलिए 9 बजे तो बंद भी हो जाएगा.
तो अभी कितना टाइम हुआ है?
7:30 बजे. We are on the counter ना. हैं?
एक ही पिज़्ज़ा लेंगे?
हाँ एक ही दे दे. कौन सा लेना? वेजी लेना? वेजी?
वेज लेते हैं।
हाँ वेजी लिखा है.
कितने लिखा है?
दूसरे नंबर पे.
कितने नंबर पे?
दूसरे पे यार, दूसरे पे ये देखा है.
Can I take the juice?
बोल बोल जल्दी बोल.
स्लाइस ले सकते हैं?
आधा स्लाइस.
मतलब सारा पिज़्ज़ा ना लेके स्लाइस.
ये फिनिश मेरे को बोल ही नहीं आती.
तो देख लेना. Hello.
Do you want English menus?
Yes, please. But we already know what to take. I mean, we'll take some vegetarian pizza.
Yeah.
Is there an option for slices? Like, do we buy the whole pizza or we can get the
Whole
slices?
pizza.
Okay. Meat large curly. One large vegetarian pizza. Super section. This one, super section. I don't know.
Super cider.
Yeah.
Yeah. One large.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here or
We'll eat it.
yeah. 17, 18. Yeah. And number. Do you want this?
No, it's fine.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here our pizza has arrived. Time to enjoy. The snowfall continues. And this, we are done with the dinner. So, it's still snowfall. So yeah, now we're gonna head back home. Hope you enjoyed this little trip for dinner and our little apartment that we have rented. See you next time. Bye, Vishy.
Bye bye.